Toyota Crownn breaks every convention in the book, and does so in a bold and fearless fashion. At first glance, its dynamically proportioned design gives it an elegant and streamlined appearance. And the sharp line of the daytime running lights emphasizes its contemporary grille, while its refined taillight flows across the rear to complete this sedan's bold all-new design. All the components of Toyota Crownn Platinum's daring design work together to make one clear argument: this premium sedan was crafted to stand out. With an available bi-tone finish that extends from the hood to the rear, Toyota Crownn Platinum commands attention on every occasion. Strong and lightweight, Toyota Crownn's alloy wheels improve both handling and acceleration, and play a pivotal role in its striking silhouette. On Platinum, 21-in. Machine-finished 10-spoke alloy wheels with black accents accentuate Toyota Crownn's sporty design. For a sleek and sophisticated look, Limited's advanced technology package comes outfitted with 21-in, dark premium metallic wheels. And standard 19-in alloy wheels elegantly complement this sedan's dynamic style. Toyota Crownn's stunning design elements are as cutting-edge as they are captivating. Available quad LED headlights, featuring 3 low beam lights and 1 high beam light, efficiently illuminate the road ahead of you and give Toyota Crownn an impressive look. Toyota Crownn's driver-focused cockpit creates an instinctual connection between driver and machine. Inside its elevated cabin, Toyota Crownn features sophisticated soft-touch materials, elegant bronze-colored details and available leather-trimmed seats. The standard power-adjustable driver's seat dynamically adjusts in 8 different ways, remembering your ideal driving position for enhanced comfort and additional lumbar support. Meticulously crafted to the highest standard, Toyota Crownn's premium cabin heightens your senses the moment you get behind the wheel. By letting an abundance of natural light in from above the front and rear seats, Toyota Crownn's available fixed panoramic roof creates a spacious atmosphere inside this premium machine's refined cabin. Bringing some warmth to winter drives, Toyota Crownn features standard heated front seats. And available ventilated front seats help you keep your cool on hot summer days. Toyota Crownn's premium feel stretches back to the second row with available heated rear seats, providing maximum comfort for all riders. With the press of a button, Toyota Crownn's available heated steering wheel quickly warms up for elevated driving on cold commutes. Underneath Toyota Crownn's cutting-edge design is an all-new available hybrid max powertrain. This available powertrain pairs Toyota Crownn's 2.4L turbocharged engine with electric motors, generating an exceptional 340 combined net horsepower with 400 lb featuring of torque. The dynamic placement of the electric motors between the engine and transmission allows for power to be transferred without any lag. The result: 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds. So, whether merging onto the freeway or driving down city streets, the second you feel the instantaneous torque across the power band, you're ready to take on the day. Toyota Crownn XLE and Limited are equipped with a highly efficient hybrid system that features a newly developed, high-output bipolar nickel-metal hydride battery. With an EPA estimated up to 41 mpg combined rating and 236 combined net horsepower, Toyota Crownn's remarkable combination of power and efficiency raises the bar for its class. Driving through city streets, Toyota Crownn's electrified powertrain quickly and quietly accelerates. Its available hybrid max powertrain comes equipped with a high-output water-cooled rear motor. This innovative axle creates the exhilarating feeling you're being pushed from behind as you step on the accelerator. And on twists and turns, its available adaptive variable suspension reads the road and adjusts in real time to help maximize handling. Every element of Toyota Crownn's advanced engineering creates refined and responsive drive that puts this sedan a cut above the competition.